Hey guys, I just want to introduce to you my cockatiel. Actually, she's a female and she's so fat, very fat. You see, and she loves my hair. hmm She loves my hair. There she is. You see, she's very fat, very fat, very fat. Cockatiel. Say hello, baby. Say hello. Chicky. Her name is Chicky, okay? You see, she's very fat. Oh, by the way, guys, thank you very much for all the people who really understand me, okay? And I'm very sorry if I become emotional in my last live stream. And you know the reason why, okay? But I just want to forget everything what really happened. But for now, I'm concentrating playing this little cutie, okay? This one. Say hello, say hello. Mm, say hello, say hello. Actually, this is a female, okay? She's a female cockatiel. Hmm. Hmm. She is almost 4 years old, okay? And the partner of this cockatiel, no, actually not four, but I think it's almost 3 years old. Her partner is already died, which is Bubbles, okay? So this is Chicky. She is a female cockatiel.